In this tutorial, I'm going to review with you how to stage your IPR, and if you do not stage your IPR, what the warning sign means. If I click on the print button, this is going to indicate that I have some collisions in my treatment plan that need to be staged, or it's going to affect the treatment outcome. If I click on the show details, this is going to give me a rundown of exactly where those collisions are happening and in between which teeth. If I close out of this, you will see in my treatment plan that I have some red dots with a negative number. If I play through my plan, I'm looking to see where these are popping up as well and making sure that I don't have any popping up in different areas where I may need to restage my movement. From here, I'm going to click on Stage IPR. I can simply take my sliding bar where it says IPR and slide it to the beginning and hit the plus sign. If I decide that I don't want to do all of the IPR in stage 1, I can simply click on the number and remove it and put what I would like to stage at that point. Then I can go ahead and stage the rest of it, making sure it's in the right place, and then go to my lower. If for some reason you decide you don't want to stage your IPR where you specified, you can simply click on this little red X and it will delete where you've placed it. If I close out of my stage IPR, you will see if I pull up my summary report up here on the upper left, that it will show you where I've staged my IPR and the amount that I have. I can then go ahead and print or order my case.